On the World Environment Day, I compliment everybody. It's our bounden responsibility to save our planet by saving the climate, by developing in such a manner that the environment is not degraded. This day reminds us or makes us aware of the very ecosystem on which not only ours, but every species on the planet's life is totally dependent. This year's World Environment Day theme is Ecosystem Restoration, Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. What a pertinent theme, especially for the urban areas. We have nearly 50% of the population living in the urban areas across the globe. In our country, this number is around 40%. The total area on the planet covered by these cities or the towns is just 3%, whereas they consume 60 to 80% of the energy, and they are dissipating nearly 75% of the carbon. Around 30% of the urban areas is covered by the slums. Under these conditions, the role of Sustainable Development Goals, Agenda 2030, becomes very, very important. SDG 11 is focused on making the cities sustainable and habitable. On this day, I commend National Institute of Urban Affairs and eGov magazine to come up with a new series of magazines editions which will be focused on the agenda Sustainable Development Goals SDG 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities. I am very happy to launch the first magazine which is focused on 11.1, the goal which is focused on affordable housing and on improving the habitat. This magazine's focus is how to ensure such kind of habitat which will address the issues related to the environment. In our country, recently we had Global Housing Technology Challenge, through which we have identified world's best construction technologies which are resource efficient, climate resilient, and rapidly construction is possible. On the 1st of January, Honorable Prime Minister laid foundation of such 6 lighthouse projects in the cities of Chennai, Rajkot, Indore, Lucknow, Ranchi and Agartala, where we will be having this technology demonstrated and it will become our national technology. I am happy that from 2014 onwards, a series of missions, Swachh Bharat Mission, Atal Mission for Urban Rejuvenation and Transformation, Smart City Mission, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, all these missions were launched. They are all towards achieving the goals which have been enshrined in the Sustainable Development Goals, in the different 17 goals, and mostly focus on SDG 11, which is very relevant for urban areas. In brief, I would like to mention that under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, under his visionary leadership, our urban areas are completely transforming. They are focused on bringing ease in living, at the same time being sensitive to the environment, taking up such practices which are aimed at improving our environment, reducing the air pollution, making things better for the people to live, whether it is the transport, urban transport, whether it is housing, whether it is sanitation, whether it is water or sewer system or any other infrastructure, they are all towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals.